What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing y'all a little glimpse of how I do my stuffed bell peppers. So yeah, come cook with me today, so stay tuned. So as you can see here, I've already browned my meat and I cooked my rice. So yeah, it's time to stuff my peppers. So right here I put my cheese in already. And yeah. Okay, now I'm about to stuff my peppers with my meat and rice. Get it good and up in there. Put a lot up in there. Stuff my meat and my rice in. Yep. Get that all in there good and deep. I'm working on my last one now. The meat up in there. Okay, now I'm taking my cheese and I spread my cheese all over the bell peppers. Okay, now guys, they are ready to be placed in the oven. I will put them in there for about 30 minutes so the cheese can melt and the bell pepper can soften up a little bit. So yes, let's get them in the oven. Okay, they're oven ready. Okay, now they've been in there for about 30 minutes now and they are ready to be taken out. So, they look delicious and I am ready to eat them too.